This is the Hymer 544. It's a very similar layout as far as the external characteristics are concerned as the 534, but it's totally different once you get inside. And one difference is that the door's at the back, and you come in and immediately on your right you've got a kitchen with a tiny sink. There'll be 3 burners here as always. But, and this is something I do appreciate, look at that, there's me, behind me, sorry, there's a very good sized wardrobe. You can get all your socks and underpants and all the other stuff in there, place for hanging your coats and what have you. There we have okay, it's nice-ish, but to get to the toilet you got to go past the shower, so you're going to have your wet feet pulling along the ground. Now here again there's a lot of space, but I don't get the same impression of space as I did, for example, in the 534. The bed is above the chairs. There's a lot of clearance there, but the bed, and there's no window space when you're in the bed, so that's that may be a problem. But this seat grouping here is I don't know how many people you're thinking of inviting, but there's gonna be a lot, and I feel as though this now is very, very cluttered. There's far too much space for seating there, and that maybe could be done in some other way. I think this is more of a traditional space. I suspect that also that'll form a bed. We also have this enormous fridge and freezer, which I think is totally pointless, and we have there a grill, which may be a good idea if you like grilled food. In the kitchen there's quite a lot of cupboard space, so that's quite nice. So positive things: nice entrance, nice floor, nice cupboard, bathroom I'm not so sure of. Seating group, I think this, for many people today, this would be too old-fashioned. The car's 6 meters 50 long. I think it's 235 wide.